How to locate the printer pin on the HP Color LaserJet Pro 4201 through 4203 and MFP 4301 through 4303 printer series. The printer pin is a secure feature designed for HP LaserJet Pro printers to access embedded web server settings. This pin prevents unauthorized users from accessing or modifying printer settings. Press the front door release button to open the cartridge door. Locate the label on the toner cartridge tray to view the factory default credentials. The credentials include a username and PIN. Note the PIN number on the label inside the cartridge door. Close the cartridge door. Note: if the default PIN number has been changed and a custom PIN has been set, check with the printer administrator to get the new PIN number. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.